Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's October 13th or 14th. One big stink bug. This is my turmeric, and as you can see it's starting to die back. And in a couple of days we're going to be down in the 40s. So I know it's going to keep dying back. So I think it's time for me to find out what's going on here in my turmeric tub. Had blossoms on all four of the plants. Let me cut this one and show you. See, there's one of the blossoms. I got four plants in here. All four of them have bloomed. And the blossoms, of course, are just spectacular. So we're going to cut these tops away. See what kind of harvest we can get. Well, I've decided there's 3 identical tubs of ginger. They'll be next on the harvest list. Alright, let's get in here and see what's up. I don't know if I can pull these up or not. Guess not. So we'll do some digging. Alright, there's the beginning. Wow, I like that. That's a good first piece, huh? Oh. Ooh. Couple more pieces. Oh boy, are those gorgeous. Another piece. Check it out. Look at that. Turmeric, look at that. Wow. And there's more. This is just the one plant. Oh, and there's more. So much more. Look. I think that's it for the first plant. Alright, let's move on to the next one. I got this one in one piece. What do you think? This is going to be a massive piece. Just massive. Alright, let's go for the next one. Wow. Look at the roots. Holy mackerel. This is going to be another massive patch. And the last one. Now these are roughly 24, 26, I don't know, I'll put the measurements up. 26 inches long, 30 inches long, maybe 20 inches wide, and about 12, 14 inches deep, I think. And this is the third year we have grown turmeric in them, and the results have just been fabulous. All right. Look at these pieces. Alright, I'm going to bring these over and I'm going to wash them off so I can dry them. Then we'll need to add a whole lot more soil here to get this ready to plant again. A lot of people say don't rinse it off, but frankly with this much dirt on it, it'll never dry if I don't get it cleaned up. Alright, I got it pretty well rinsed off. I can cut some more stems off and get rid of some of the roots, but right now I'm going to let it do some drying. This is David at Grow and Eat This, Lawrenceville, Georgia, middle of October, harvesting turmeric. And I am like beyond happy. Thank you for watching. If you like these, please subscribe. Hit the like button. There's a notification thing somewhere, so you'll know when I put the next ones up, because the next one is probably going to be the ginger harvest. And I've got 3 tubs of ginger. It ought to be awesome. This is David, Grow and Eat This. Thank you for watching.